Oh guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Surain with you. I'm just going to do a car wash today. So I'm going to show you how's the car wash. I went to Al Qudra. So my car got a bit of sandy. Alright, I'm here, reached the petrol station. The car wash is inside the petrol station. One of the petrol station is called EPCO and there is Enoch petrol station here. So these cars which is on my left side are going for manual wash. What they do in manual wash is they will clean completely with the hand only, So you know what is manual. There's one person there hitting the nose. These cars are for manual wash and Auto Pro is the, how do I say, they are the technicians here. If you have any problem with the car, you can check everything here. Of course, you need to pay. Apart from that, in the fuel station, you'll see Burger King and Zoom. As I said, Zoom is always there in all the fuel stations. So this is a receipt. So they're given me for 37 dirhams, which is trifoam. So normal washes you get for 32 auto wash. Trifoam they put extra foam to make it more clean. Well, yes, it might work. 5 dirhams extra. Well, I used to do car wash at my ground parking level itself, but then today I decided to do full car wash because it's very dirty. So now it's my turn, so I'm gonna go forward now. Hello, my friend. Yeah. Say. We can switch off the car. Okay, now you just rinse the car. Next step, force water. No, it's not forced water, sorry guys. This is foam, some cleaning foam or something. Cleaning liquid. Cleaning liquid. Right. The windshield is fully covered. I don't see anything. Now the forced water will come. Water force began. They always suggest you to take a manual wash here because it's good, but auto wash itself is still good. Is this a trifoam? Yeah, I think this is a trifoam. There's no tricolor. The color is less today. Yes, good. You can see this person doing the manual wash with a gun, water gun, and you'll open the car and clean like this. They do a detailed cleaning. This power wash is good. The only thing is we cannot use this in Dubai. If you're living inside the city a bit, you should have your own garage, maybe your own place to do this wash. So it's not possible for all common people to wash the car anywhere, You should have a right place to do that. Now it's rinsed here. I think it's done. Now, once this is finished, then we'll have to go to the next bay. And they will do the remaining cleaning of vacuum and everything. I was doing a blow dry. Alright, the front of my bonnet is looking good. Okay, let's get going. Okay, oh, it's so hot. My gimbal is getting hot today. All right. So that's the way where we have to go and do the vacuum and other things like interior cleaning, tire cleaning, and all of this stuff. I would like to play a song for them when they're cleaning, just for them to entertain, just for me to entertain them. There's no reason because they are working very hard here, all these people here. So I just leave the car on with the music. They will sit inside the car and they will work. Sometimes I see them listening to the music as well. You see them they do this entire day, so it's a very hard job. It's a South Indian music. I'll change to Indian. I'll change all Indian songs when they are in the car. This is TECOM. Just show you around what's around this fuel station itself. This is the petrol station, and all the cleanings are happening here. They have a vacuum box there, garbage bin. If you want to do a wiper for your car, you can install that. There's Burger King here if you want to take a food, and and there's a metro station connected, not for your car wash, for the other purposes. This is the car. It's been cooked already. It's clean, neat now, except the tire part, but still better. For your car, if you want to go for any mats, here, that's the fuel tanker. We call this twin tower. Similar looking tower in Malaysia. Is it Malaysia? Petronas Tower. And there you go, Autopro. Oh, getting ready. It's already getting dry. They're all busy. Usually I'll go wipe the car with my towel. I do this by myself. They allow you to do it. You can bring your own cloth and you can wipe off the by yourself. You can help them. Yeah. They're cleaning the car finally. All interior and exterior should be clean. It's getting nice and neat. He just saved my money. SanDisk is my connector for my what's that? Microchip. doing a complete clean. Still, this has to be cleaned. I'm gonna help this person. There's nobody here, and I don't want my car to get dried. So let me go and do the work. Yeah, full vacuum. Check out, it's super clean now. It's all neat and clean. Doing the interior as well. They do a polish if you require for the car wheels. Well, we need to tip this buddies because they're working hard. I'm gonna go park my car and buy some change. I'm gonna do a tip for them. Yep. Okay, the car is neat and clean. I feel it, I see it, super nice. No dust is going around. Interior, this as well. All right guys, show you the back seat. All good. There you go. All right guys, thank you for joining with me. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Let's go more places together. Yep.